In front of me is POCO F6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on a suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. If you don't have this helpful strip at the top of your Gboard, all you need to do is go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Then select Additional Settings, hit Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Then after accessing text correction, click on this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to switch it on. So when I go back, as you can see, my strip is successfully activated. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!